Paying via VIP's QR code is one of the fastest and most secure ways to transfer money instantly. With VIP's, all you need is your smartphone and the recipient's QR code. Open the VIP's app on your phone, and at the main screen, tap on the QR code scanner. Align your camera with the code, and the app automatically recognizes the recipient's details, ensuring that you send money to the correct account without manually entering phone numbers or bank details. Once the QR code is scanned, the recipient's name and the requested amount appear on your screen. You can adjust the amount if needed before confirming the payment. VIP's ensures that every transaction is secure by requiring authentication either via a PIN or biometrics like fingerprint or facial recognition. After confirmation, the money is transferred instantly, and both you and the recipient receive a notification. Using a VIP's QR code eliminates errors and delays often associated with traditional bank transfers. Whether you are paying for groceries, splitting a dinner bill, or sending money to friends or family, the process takes just a few seconds. The transaction history in the app keeps track of all payments, making it easy to monitor your spending and manage finances. For businesses and vendors, displaying a VIP's QR code at checkout allows customers to pay quickly without handling cash or entering card details. The QR code can be printed, displayed on a screen, or shared digitally. This method improves efficiency and reduces the risk of mistakes or fraud. Overall, paying via VIP's QR code is a seamless, reliable, and secure way to send money. With instant transfers, strong authentication, and easy tracking, it has become the preferred choice for both personal and business transactions. This simple process saves time, avoids errors, and ensures that money reaches the right recipient instantly.